Today we are going to make these delicious homemade Snickers bars. Hi, my name is Cheryl and I teach recipes and techniques so you can make your own chocolates at home. To make the nougat, combine the corn syrup, sugar, and water and bring up to a boil of 130 degrees Celsius. Making sure not to stir this mixture too much. I usually just stir it enough to combine slightly. While that's boiling, beat 6 egg whites to stiff peaks. Then turn the mixer to low and slowly add the hot syrup down the side of the bowl. You don't want it to splash up to you, so make sure to turn your mixer on the lowest setting. When combined, turn your mixer back up to high and beat for a full 10 minutes. Add the peanut butter at the end and stir just to combine. Pour into a prepared pan and press evenly into the pan. It is pretty sticky, so I find it helpful to spray your hands or some gloves and press it in. Now we're going to make the caramel. Combine your corn syrup, sugar, and salt, and without stirring, boil to 155 degrees Celsius. You can take the pot as I have here and just give it a light swirl to incorporate, but if you stir it, you risk crystallizing the sugar. Turn the burner off and add the warmed cream, being careful to avoid the rising steam. Add some butter and bring it back up to a temperature of 128 degrees Celsius. I left this to set overnight, and then the next day I chilled it for half an hour. To start, we're going to turn it upside down and coat the bottom with a thin layer of chocolate. This will keep it from sticking to your wire rack when enrobing. I got about 28 bars out of this recipe when I cut them into about 1-inch widths. If you like this recipe, please try it and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Also, if you have any suggestions for any other bars you'd like to see me do, let me know. I know one thing for sure, you won't be disappointed by the taste. Thanks for watching today. I'm going to be doing a whole series on chocolate bars, so please subscribe if you'd like to see more.